Boom, get ready for a wild ride on Bitcoin Bulletin. We're kicking things off with seismic shifts in the crypto world. First, Strive is making a massive play, buying Semler Scientific in a deal that's shaking up the treasury space. Then, we dive into MicroStrategy's continued Bitcoin accumulation, adding hundreds more to their already colossal stash. But wait, can Bitcoin itself deliver a jaw-dropping 10x return, potentially rivaling gold? And hold on tight, because a sudden $200 billion crypto sell-off is sparking fresh fears of a Bitcoin price crash. You do not want to miss this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Strive to buy Semler Scientific in first merger of Bitcoin treasury companies. This is huge for the crypto treasury sector. Strive has officially agreed to acquire Semler Scientific in an all-stock deal that's sending shockwaves through the market. This merger, valued at a staggering 210% premium or $90.52 per share based on Friday's close, marks the first major consolidation among Bitcoin treasury companies. It's a strategic move by Strive, led by Matt Cole, who aims to solidify their position as a top-tier Bitcoin treasury firm, even implementing alpha-seeking strategies to outperform Bitcoin itself. Semler's executive chairman, Eric Semler, is slated to join the board of the new combined entity. Adding fuel to the fire, Strive also announced the purchase of 5,816 Bitcoin for $675 million, significantly boosting the combined company's holdings to over 10,900 BTC when added to Semler's existing reserves. This deal comes at a critical time, with Semler Scientific shares facing immense pressure, trading well below the value of their Bitcoin holdings, a situation not uncommon in the current crypto climate. Don't go anywhere, because the market is reacting to this massive news. And what does this mean for MicroStrategy's relentless Bitcoin buying spree? Strategy added 850 Bitcoin for nearly $100 last week. MicroStrategy is not slowing down. The company just announced another significant Bitcoin purchase, adding 850 BTC to its already massive reserves last week for nearly $100 million. This latest acquisition brings their total holdings to an astounding 639,825 coins, acquired at an average price of $117,344 per coin in this recent batch. This move was strategically funded through a mix of perpetual preferred stock and common stock sales, with a strong emphasis on common stock. This continued accumulation underscores MicroStrategy's unwavering commitment to Bitcoin as a primary treasury reserve asset, even as the broader market experiences fluctuations. The company's strategy, spearheaded by Michael Saylor, continues to be a benchmark for corporate Bitcoin adoption. But how does this relentless buying compare to the potential of Bitcoin itself? Prepare to be amazed as we explore if Bitcoin can truly deliver a 10x return. Could Bitcoin deliver 10x returns? Can Bitcoin really achieve a tenfold increase in value? This isn't just a speculative question. It's a serious consideration for investors looking at Bitcoin's disruptive potential. In just 17 years, Bitcoin has transformed from nothing to a $2.3 trillion market cap, rewarding those who have held on through its volatile journey. With a 967% rise in the last 5 years alone, the question remains, what's next? While traditional valuation methods don't apply, comparisons offer insight. If Bitcoin were to reach the market cap of gold, estimated at $24.8 trillion, that would represent a roughly 10x return. Bitcoin offers advantages over gold, including portability, divisibility, and crucially, a hard supply cap of 21 million, making it a potentially superior store of value in an increasingly digital world. Many analysts believe a tenfold price increase within the next decade is not only possible but probable. But what happens when the market experiences a sudden, sharp downturn? Get ready for a shock as we break down the recent $200 billion crypto sell-off. Sudden $200 billion crypto sell-off sparks fresh Bitcoin price crash fears. Hold on to your hats, because the crypto market just experienced a dramatic $200 billion sell-off. Bitcoin's price took a sharp dive, plummeting below $112,000 after a peak near $118,000 just last week. Analysts like Alex Kupcikevich and Lynn Tran from XSCOM are pointing to a potential shift to a downward trend, with Bitcoin breaking key support levels and falling below its 50-day moving average. This correction phase is seen as a necessary pause to absorb profit-taking and reduce leverage, potentially setting the stage for a more stable base. Adding to the intrigue, the SEC's recent approval of generic listing standards for crypto ETFs, including those for XRP and Dogecoin, is expected to open the floodgates for new products beyond just Bitcoin and Ethereum. This regulatory development, alongside BlackRock's massive Bitcoin ETF holdings, creates a complex backdrop for the current price action, leaving many wondering about the immediate future of Bitcoin and the wider crypto ecosystem. And that's just the beginning of our crypto deep dive. Stick around for our lightning round recap and full call to action. All right, crypto fans, that's a wrap on today's Bitcoin Bulletin. We saw Strive merge with Semler Scientific, MicroStrategy continue its massive Bitcoin buys, explored Bitcoin's potential for 10x returns, and witnessed a major crypto sell-off amid new ETF developments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Bitcoin Bulletin for all your crypto news, hit that notification bell so you never miss an update, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all social media platforms. We'll see you next time.